Hello friend, welcome to our new videos of CodingPy. In this video I am going to tell you that how you can build object detection and counting project. For this I will show you that how you can use deep learning model for object detection. This project is especially for beginners who wants to upskill their knowledge and used in college as their mini project. So without wasting time, let's get started. First thing first, what you need to do, open your Jupyter notebook or Google Colab and then install all the necessary libraries. Here I already installed it, so it says requirement already satisfied. Now in next step what we need to do, we just import all the necessary libraries. Gradio for creating user interface, CV2 for image processing where we can convert image into a format and it is used to draw a bonding object in an image. Now Ultralytics provide a YOLOv8 which is pre-trained deep learning model used for object detection and counting. At last I used to import NumPy for numerical computation. NumPy basically handle image as array. Now in next step we will import pre-trained model YOLOv8. It is faster and suitable for mini project. Here I successfully downloaded the model which is up to 7 MB file. Now in next step, define a function which names as detect and count object which consists two parameters, image and object name, where object name is already defined, that is person. Next we need to convert the image into RGB format. For this I used to define a variable named as image_RGB. Then CV2 provide a function called CVT color. With the usage of this I can convert the images into RGB. RGB stands for red, green, blue, which is primary color of light. It is used to represent and display images to electronic system. Then in result variable you can pass converted image to the model. Now define a variable called detection and extract bonding boxes from the result. Now next you will define detected_object variable which consists empty list. Now with the usage of for loop, extract boxes from detection variable, then append it to detected_object. Next you annotate the images with their bonding boxes. Again with the usage of for loop, extract bonding box coordinate and convert coordinate into integers using map function. Then extract confidence score, which means probability that object is correctly detected. Then with the usage of CV2, draw bonding boxes in rectangle format. Again use CV2 to put object label with their confidence score on top of the rectangular image. Now defined a count variable to count the detected object. Finally return three variables, that is image, object count and object name. Now in fourth step you can process image for Gradio. This you can define a function named as process_image. Consists two parameters, that is image and object name. Now you can convert input images into NumPy array and store it into a image variable. Then you need to call a function that is detect and count object which requires two parameters, that is images and object name. Then whatever value that you got from function, you can store it in these two variables, that is annotate_image and count_message. Then you need to return that two variable. In order to make user interface stylish and attractive, you can use CSS along with Gradio. Now finally I used to run the code and as you can see, the public URL appear below. Soon as you click on public URL, you will redirect to the UI. Wait for few seconds for user interface. Now upload the images, whatever image that you want to upload. As soon as you will upload the images, you can now click on the submit option. And within few seconds you will get predicted result. So this is how you can build object detection and counting deep learning project. And trust me guys, this type of content you will never get anywhere on YouTube. I hope this video is informative. Please do like and subscribe and share with your friends.